Flingster is an online video chat platform that connects strangers worldwide, often marketed as a fun way to meet new people instantly. On the surface, it looks legit. The site is accessible, the chat works, and users can connect without much setup. The problem starts with safety and authenticity. Many reviews highlight fake profiles, bots, and aggressive upselling into premium memberships. Trustpilot and Reddit discussions point out that while you can chat for free, the experience is often shallow or manipulated to push you into paying. Privacy concerns also come up since conversations aren't always well moderated and scammers can exploit the platform. Flingster isn't an outright scam. It does function, but it's a high risk chat site. Between bots, fake reviews, and questionable moderation, it's best approached with caution. If you're looking for genuine connections, safer and more transparent platforms are better for you and the community behind it.